Asuntoskeittiö Rantapuisto.
Today it's the 28th of August 2021 when we have Rantakatu 3A, small letter A, and the staircase A. This is the first staircase in this residential building. We think we have filmed the staircase B here also before today. We also filmed the staircase C now. But of course we're going to check that later if it was B or not.
Yeah.
Actually, I would like to check the bunker first before we write. I want to see what here it says. Does it say 2003 or 2002? Yeah, it says 2002. 2002, so of course this is early 2003.
Yeah.
It's turning 20 years old in 2023. This one has two sides. Also 4M here. Interesting. But this doesn't look big.
Yeah.
The serial number is H71586, was late 2002, finished 2003. I'm pretty sure it was not the case A, not this one, because it didn't have two sides at least.
Yeah.
We expected it 2023, but it's turning 20 years old in the next year, 2022.
Yeah.
Well, it's late 2002. I think B is also from late 2002, but I'm not sure.
Yeah. Inspektiivipaikki vaiskuta, meitä ei paikkoon.
But it is possible that it is also.
Yeah.
And I forgot to mention, this is also in Järvenpää, not Finland. So the basement floor. What could M mean? It's not maataso, but because that's the first floor.
Yeah.
The ground level for it, but M is strange.
Yeah.
So I don't know what that means. The M in this case.
Yeah.
It cannot be an abbreviation of mezzanine because, well, they want to be Finnish here, so I don't know. It's weird. You can also see the older Kone logo here on the connection alarm system. So thank you very much for watching. And of course you can watch the staircase B and C here.
Yeah.
I like these orange frames here.
Same. That's it.